I am going to teach 9th standard physics lesson number 3 fluids. So here we are going to discuss about matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, gas. The solid liquid is called as fluids. Then thrust and pressure. Thrust means force, pressure means force per area or force or thrust per area. With the help of this activity, we are going to understand thrust and pressure. So activity 1. When we are stand on loose stand, we go feet deep into the stand. But we are lie down on the loose stand, we will not go deep into the stand. Why? In both activities, we have some thrust and pressure. In both activities, force, that is thrust, is equal, but pressure is not equal. When we stand on loose stand, we go to deep into the stand because our body weight act in two legs, that is area of contact is equal. Area of contact is very less. In both cases, we are standing on loose stand, we lie down on the loose stand. In both cases, force acting on the sand, that is weight of our body, is same. When we are standing on the loose stand, our weight, which is equal to area of our feet, that is between the two legs. So we go deep into the stand. Here pressure is increases, area of contact decreases, so we go deep into the stand. When we are lie down on the loose stand, here weight of our body, which is greater than the area of contact, so here area increases, pressure is decreases, so we will not go deep into the stand. In both activity, thrust, force acting on an object is equal, but pressure is unequal. Thrust, force acting on an object is perpendicular to the surface of area. Its unit is Newton, N represents Newton, symbol of Newton, capital N. Pressure, the force per unit area acting on an object is called pressure. Pressure P equal to thrust per area of contact, that is force per area of contact. SI unit of pressure is Newton meter inverse 2 or Pascal. So from the equation, pressure increases, area of contact decreases. Pressure decreases, area of contact increases. Pressure increases, area of contact decreases. Pressure decreases, area of contact increases. When we are standing on loose stand, area of contact decreases, so pressure is increases. When we are lie down on the loose stand, area of contact increases, so pressure is decreases. So when we are standing on loose stand, area decreases, pressure increases. Due to the high pressure, our feet will go down in little bit. But we are lie down on the loose stand, area of contact more high, so pressure decreases, so that we are not go inside the stand. Then activity 2. When we lie down near single nail, pricks our body, it is very painful. When we lie down on a bed of nail, our body still remains unhurt. Why? We have some pressure. So in nail, two edge, sharp edge and faded edge. The sharp edge area of contact area is very less. The faded edge surface area is more. So when we are lie down on a sharp edge, we feel very painful because area of contact the sharp edge is very less, so pressure is high. When we are lie down on a bed of nails, area of contact our body to nail is very greater, more, so pressure is less. So here, due to the pressure difference, so we feel painful if a single nail pricks our body. Activity 3. Pushing a pin into a board by its head. It is difficult, but pushing the pointed end, that is sharp edge, it is very easy because pressure. When we are pushing the nail to a board by its faded edge, force acting on faded edge is very less, the area of contact is more, so pressure also less. While pushing a pin into a paper by sharp edge, here force acting is less but area of contact is very less, pressure is more. In both case stress, in both case thrust, that is force is equal but pressure is unequal. But in pushing a pin into a broad board by its head is difficult because area of contact is more, pressure is less. Pushing the pointed end, it is easy, area of contact less, pressure is more. So pressure is increases, force increases but area of contact decreases. Pressure is decreases, force decreases, area of contact increases. So next activity, why the cutting tools have sharp edge? A motor, bus or truck has wider type because cutting tools have sharp edge, area of contact, surface area is less, so pressure is high, so that it can move easily inside the wall or board. The motor bus has wider tire type of because area of contact more, the pressure is less. Then why a camel can run in desert area easily? The camel leg feet, that is a camel walking on the desert is full of sand, the camel leg feet is contact with the desert. The camel leg feet, the area of contact is more, pressure is less, so a camel walk easily on the desert area.